Welcome. I'm going to open a Switch game, and there's what I get from a pre-order. I'm gonna put them there. Pokemon Mystery Dungeon Rescue Team DX. I opened a tiny bit because it's quite difficult to open. Right, I'm gonna open it. And what's inside? Wow. Whoa. So that's all the starters you could get with different expressions. So that's probably sad or worried, happy, sad, happy, happy. Okay, I'm going to... There's the cartridge. I'm gonna shot this. I'm gonna put that there. Get my Switch. Plonk it in there. Right, there's my Switch. Oh, that's really nice. I'm going to check if I need to update it first, because sometimes you do. Do I... Unable to connect software. That's fine. And let's open. Come on. It should start. Oh, so I need English. And I'm going to wait until it starts. Wow, I like this. Let's turn up the volume. Oops, I did the wrong button. That's so nice. Let's start. New game. So I'm going to start. So I'm going to press welcome. This is the something portal that leads to the world of Pokemon, but before I can let you through, I have serious questions for you. So basically I need to do different questions, and then at the end, the game saying what Pokemon say. They said a Squirtle. I could say yes or no. Are you ready? Okay. Can you force on something you like? let's say yes or no. I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna turn it to a police. Are you late for school meetings? I'm not late. There's a screen behind a door. I'm gonna open the door. Are these many things that you like to do? Yes. How quick do you respond to a text? Reply right away, maybe reply, maybe not. Too much trouble. I'm gonna do a middle one. Thumb, index, middle, ring, little finger. I'm gonna use that one. Yes or no? This. Do you want to play as a boy or girl? Boy. And you appear to be that hardy type. You do homework and you know to eat properly. You have strong willpower that lets you complete tasks, however through, but you always be stubborn to the point of even roughing with friends. And who am I? Oh, a Bulbasaur. Should I click yes? I'm gonna do yes. This is the final step. What would you like to have a part? Choose what as your partner from this Pokemon. Should I have Squirtle, Turtledile, Marquette, Pikachu, Trico, Cubone, Eevee, Meowth? So I'll have Turtledile. So should it be a boy or girl? I'm gonna put girl. I'm not gonna nickname it because I want to keep it as the name. Yeah, let's get in. So I'm become a Pokemon. to watch your name. I'm gonna keep Bulbasaur because I like the name. Oh, it's a butterfly. Butterfree. So I'm assuming I'm gonna be in a dungeon. Yes, I am. I'm gonna see. That's I like this music. Oh. So it's fainted. So let's. Oh, it's attacked. It's fainted. Bye bye. Can I find the stairs? Oh, I found the stairs. Way. Da, 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 da. I like this music a lot. I'm gonna have this. So I'm going to go down here. Can't find the stairs, so I'm gonna go the other way. And you're dead. Come on. Don't use Sand Attack, you annoying Pokemon. Come on. Hey, it's fainted. Come on. And I found the stairs again. And am I out? Oh, it's a Caterpie. Nice. Whoa, got a tiny receive seed. Peach berry. 500 coins? So I'm going to maybe end soon. Because I'm playing the first few minutes, and then when I save it's gonna be the end, because I don't want to give you any more spoilers in case you haven't played this game yet. So, yes. Should I be Pokemon? P-O, where are you, O? K E M O and then N. Come on, where are you? N. And then and. So I'm Team Pokemon. Oh, I got scarves. So let's start tomorrow. And then it's how Bulbasaur become a Risco team. I'm going to end this when it's the credits. Not a credits, a menu done. The next morning. I'm still the same. That's why. That way I'm a Bulbasaur. But why would I be transformed into a Pokemon? So I'm options. I'm gonna save and okay. There's the stickers again. That's the nice game again. So I chose Bulbasaur and Totodile. Okay, like, subscribe. Thank you, bye.